I'm John Alder for DIYPhotography.net. I'm here with Karim at the Synco booth at IBC 2022, and we're going to take a look at the new Synco G3 wireless microphones.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2022 is sponsored by Sennheiser, the future of audio; Sachtler, producer of professional tripods; and B&H, the professional source.
So Karim, we're all familiar with the G2. Now you've got the new generation, the G3. Can you tell us something about the G3 and what makes it different?
All the people know the G2. The G2 is very famous. I use it for my video every time. And now Synco released the new G3. A new concept because you can slide the mic like this, and also you can record directly in the mic.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe almost 20 hours.
That's very impressive.
Yeah, it's very impressive. And also you can set up each mic with the gain, EQ, FX, and you can check the display menu. I can set up to the microphone on with my box.
Right,
Yeah.
and even though these are much smaller than these, you can still plug a lavalier microphone into them, can't
because
you?
this model is ready to use. I can use a micro lav. I just can use a headphone to have a monitoring.
Right, so for monitoring on the receiver though, you can plug headphones into that and go out to the camera simultaneously?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. You can use also on smartphone, camera, because the output is a mix like TRS
Yep.
and TRRS.
Right.
Yeah, with one cable. Only one cable.
Brilliant,
Yeah.
brilliant. And are these available now?
No, not
yet?
now.
When do
yeah.
they get released?
I
Do you
don't know, maybe soon, yeah.
Soon?
Yeah.
So you don't know
yeah.
the price
Still
yet
in
either?
development.
Right, well brilliant. Well, this is a very quick first look at the Synco G3 microphone at IBC 2022. We're going to keep looking around, see what else we can find. And if you want to keep up to date with what we see, hit the subscribe down below. And if you want to have a chance to win $12,000 worth of cinema goodies, check the link in the description. We'll see you on the next video.